Hey everyone, welcome back to App Insight. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to copy your TikTok profile link and share it across other social media platforms to boost your visibility. I'll also explain how to share your profile using a QR code. Let's get started. First, open your TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look just below your followers count and you'll see a Share Profile button. Tap on that. In the Share Profile menu, you'll see the option to Copy Link. Tap on it to copy your profile link to your clipboard. Now, you can paste this link anywhere, whether it's in a message, an email, or any social media platform. But that's not all. You can also share your TikTok profile using a QR code. To do this, tap on QR code. This will generate a unique QR code for your profile, which you can save to your device or share directly with others. When someone scans this QR code, they'll be taken straight to your TikTok profile. Sharing your TikTok profile link or QR code on other social media platforms is a great way to get more views and followers. Whether you share it on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, make sure to let people know why they should check out your content. This helps increase your reach and grow your audience. And there you have it. Now you know how to copy your TikTok profile link, share it across different platforms, and even use a QR code to make it easy for others to find you. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to App Insight for more tips and tricks on how to grow your online presence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.